welcome to my channel. Well, I've been for a ride out into the countryside. I've come up to Sax. You can see the castle behind me, which is very attractive. Hopefully be able to get some drone footage of that in a minute. Update on the motorbike. It's done its 500 kilometre service and all was fine with that. It's running very sweetly. Gear changes is getting better all the time. It was a little clunky to start with, but other than going into second, which occasionally is a little sticky, it's definitely getting there, so won't be long. And I'll keep on maintaining or keeping the revs fairly low initially. They do suggest that up to 2,000 kilometres is not to go too wild with it, which that'll probably be the case with me. I'm very much a fair weather rider, and I say the service was last week, and haven't had a chance to be out again since it's been pretty wet and cold. So today is the first day I've had available. So making most of the little bit of sunshine. It's not really very bright, but it's just right. Nice 20 degrees. So let me get the drone out and take some video.